Okay students, so today I am telling you about logarithm. It is due for class 9th standard. So far you have not studied about it. I am just giving you the introduction. Earlier it was used to find out some complicated calculation, like if suppose 5 to the power 25 is to be taken out, we were using the concept logarithm to find out the value of this. But nowadays, because of calculator and computer, calculation can be done with the help of those instruments. Therefore, log each logarithm is using functions and exponential and logarithm function etc. in higher classes also. Now try to understand what is the relation between logarithmic and exponential form. As we know that 2 to the power 3 is 8. It is true. It is exponential form. It is an exponential form. If I convert it into the logarithmic form, so I can write it 3 is equal to log 8 at a base 2. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So this is the rule to convert any exponential form to the logarithmic form. Now we can generalize it. We can say that if a is any positive number other than 1, and suppose its index is n and its answer is b, a to the power n is equal to b. It is an exponential form, so it can be written as n is equal to log b at a base a in logarithmic form. It is an exponential form. It is a logarithmic form. So this is the rule to convert exponential form to logarithmic form, and from here you can understand a to the power n is equal to b. It is exponential form. H 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Exponential form. It can be written as 3 is equal to log 8 at a base 2. It's a logarithmic form. So in first one exercise, we have to use this particular thing to convert any question into exponential form or in logarithmic form. Now from here we have some general results also which you have to remember. That is, those are: number 1, log 1 at any base is equal to 0. Why? Because if I convert into exponential form, it gives you the result that it implies that a to the power 0 is equal to 1, because any number having the index 0 is always 1. That's why log of a number at any base is equal to 0. Similarly, the log of a number with the same base, log a at a base a, will be 1. Why? Because if I convert into the exponential form, it will be a to the power 1 is equal to a, and it is correct. You all know about it. So these are the two general formula which you have to remember. Log 1 at any base is equal to 0, and then log a at base a is always 1. Clear? So this is an idea how you can convert exponential form to the logarithmic form, as well as logarithmic form to the exponential form. Right? So there will be few questions based on these two concepts only, and sometimes if you are given log of a number at any base, and if number is 1, its answer is always 0. Remember it. Right? Later on we have few laws. Number 1, which you have to remember. Number 1, it is known as the product law. Log a into b, it can be expanded. Log a into b into c into d and so on. It can be written as log a plus log b. Mean to say that log 12 can be written as log 12 can be written as 4 into 3, and you can expand it log 4 plus log 3. Log of a into b, that is log a plus log b. So this is the first law which we will apply in so many questions. Log of A into B is equal to log A plus log B. It is known as the product rule or product law. Second one, log of fraction number, log A divided by B. Log of fraction number, it can be written as log A minus log B, or log A minus log B can be written as log of A upon B, right? As example, log 3 by 2 can be written as log 3 minus log 2. So log of a fraction number can be broken like it. So this is the second law. And now the third one, log x to the power m. It can be written as m log x. Mean to say that from here you can just take it log 2 to the power 3 can be written as 3 log 2, right? So these are the three rules. Number one, log A into B will be equal to log A plus log B. For an example, 12 can be broken as 4 into 3 log 4 plus log 3, because log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Similarly, the second one, log of fraction number A upon B will be equal to log A minus log B, as log 3 by 2 can be written as log 3 minus log 2. Last one, log x to the power m is equal to m log x. An example is log 2 to the power 3 is equal to 3 log 2. Clear? So these are the few initial things which you have to understood while solving question related to this exercise. Thank you very much.